Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on using ArchivesSpace to search the archival collections at the Drake University Archives and the Drake University Law School Archives. The ArchivesSpace database can be reached by following the Finding a link on the Archives website or by going to aspace.library.drake.edu. From the landing page, ArchivesSpace gives you the option to search all of the finding aids across both repositories by entering search terms into this box. You can also limit your search to a particular record type, either to collections or limits of digital materials, by a particular search field, either keyword, title, creator, subject, notes, or collection identifier, or finally, by limiting your search results to a particular year or range of years. Unless you know exactly which collection you're looking for, or are searching for a particular subject, we recommend that you start your search by searching by keyword. ArchivesSpace also provides options for browsing findings. By clicking on Repositories in the top menu, and then by selecting either the Drake University Archives or the Drake University Law School Archives, you can find more information about that repository, including a link to the website, contact information, as well as information about the number of collections, the number of digital objects, unprocessed materials, as well as list of subjects and names associated with archival collections in the repository, and a list of record groups. The same search bar from the home page exists on each repository page as well. You can also click on Collections, which will provide a list sorted alphabetically of all of the collections in both repositories. Each entry in this list provides information about the collection, including the title of the collection, the collection identifier, a scope and contents note, which provides information about the collection, as well as the materials of the collection, and a date note, which includes either a single date or range of dates, and finally, the repository that the collection is found in. This list can be sorted in several ways. The default is title ascending, but you can also choose to sort by descending title, by ascending or descending year, or ascending or descending collection identifier. You can also filter the list of collections by first of all searching within the list of collections, or searching for a particular year or range of years, or finally by using any of the filtering options here, clicking either of the two repositories, or by clicking on a particular subject, which are listed in by frequency of use, or clicking on a particular name associated with the collection, again listed by frequency of use. You can also browse through a list of digital objects associated with archival collections. These are likewise sorted alphabetically by default, but can be resorted in the same way as the list of collections. By clicking on any of the results, you can find more information about the digital object, including which archival collection it's associated with, as well as a link to the full record of that digital object found in our digital repository. Much like the browsable list of collections and digital objects, you can also browse through a list of subjects associated with archival collections, or names associated with archival collections. Both of those lists can also be sorted or filtered in the same ways as the other lists. If you know, however, that the collection you're looking for or subject is in a particular record group, you can find a browsable list of archival collections under each of the record groups associated with archival collections by clicking on the Law School Record Group, Political Collections, Iowa History Collections, or Drake University Collections. Lastly, we provide the option for browsing unprocessed collections. These include recently acquired collections, as well as collections that have not been fully processed yet. While we don't traditionally provide access to unprocessed materials, if your research can be furthered through the use of one of these collections, please contact us and we'll make every effort to help you.